Yeah, like I said, this is the schematic that was following to the car. You can pull one up online very easy. I was focusing on the screw holes because those are the main thing that need to be aligned when hooking up all the plastics back in place. And I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, obviously. I mean, I'm not, in no means I'm no mechanic, but the see the tabs here and over here. So when I pulled this whole frame forward, and I got to a nice straight line here, and I was using stuff like this. Got it at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's like a S uh, bracket or whatever you call it. I was using things like this, and this is another piece of plastic that was broken, but I used some epoxy. This was basically my guide to when I was trying to fix the whole frame, because and again, this frame here by no means is like a safety frame that you don't want to do this. Let's say if the car was hit right here, which luckily this was not. This is like to me it's like a safety issue frame that you had to get it, done to a mechanic or dealership, because it affects the whole stability and safety of the car. But this here is nothing for that. This is just
Thank you for watching.